Virgin Galactic has been pretty quiet lately. So quiet that a lot of people may have forgotten the company is still working toward its goal of commercial space tourism. But behind the scenes, the team has been busy developing a brand new spacecraft, and it's expected to take its first trip into the sky during the third quarter of this year. So far, Virgin Galactic has completed 12 flights with its VSS Unity spacecraft, including 7 commercial missions that carried paying passengers. The final flight took place in June 2024, and after that, Unity was retired from regular service to make way for a new generation of vehicles known as the Delta class. The new Delta spacecraft is essentially a larger and more advanced version of Unity. It has been designed with mass production in mind, something Virgin Galactic sees as a key part of its future. One of the biggest upgrades is capacity. While Unity could carry 4 passengers, the new spacecraft will be able to accommodate 6. Virgin now officially refers to these vehicles simply as spaceships. Development is being supported by several partners. Bell Textron is helping build the unique feathering system that plays a major role during flight, while Carbon Aerospace is responsible for producing the fuselage and wings. The company hasn't revealed how many Delta spacecraft are currently under construction, but it has confirmed that at least 1 vehicle will begin flight testing later this year. The first test will focus on glide flights rather than powered missions. Assuming everything stays on schedule, Virgin Galactic hopes to begin commercial operations with the new spacecraft by the final quarter of the year. To get ready for that milestone, the company has brought VSS Unity back into the air over Spaceport America in New Mexico. These glide flights are being used to help train crews and fine-tune operations, because Unity shares many characteristics with the new Delta design. The preparation goes beyond the aircraft itself. Ground crews, maintenance teams, and mission control personnel are all taking part in live training exercises to ensure everything runs smoothly once commercial service resumes. Virgin Galactic is building the Delta spaceships at a dedicated production facility in Mesa. While the company hasn't disclosed exactly how many spacecraft it plans to produce, it has shared an ambitious goal. Each spacecraft is expected to fly twice per week throughout its service life, potentially completing as many as 500 missions. That level of activity is seen as a major step toward making the business profitable on a larger scale. However, more frequent flights don't necessarily mean lower ticket prices. Space tourism remains an extremely expensive experience, and a seat on a Virgin Galactic flight still costs more than the price of a Ferrari loose. With testing set to begin soon, and commercial flights targeted for later this year, Virgin Galactic is preparing for what could be its biggest comeback yet. The next few months will show whether the company's new spacecraft can finally turn regular space tourism into a sustainable reality.